Welcome back, people. In this video, we will see how to manipulate HTML elements with jQuery. In our series about JavaScript, we saw how to manipulate HTML elements with JavaScript. Here, we will make it easier with the help of jQuery. So first, we have to select a particular element, right? So to choose a particular element, we use document.querySelector, and inside the parenthesis, we use name of the selector. Example h1 or a button. To write it jQuery, let's go to index.js. We use the dollar sign, and inside the parenthesis we use h1. We can also specify a particular class using the dot notation or a particular ID, etc. We have three buttons. So here in index.html we have three buttons. So go to index.js. To select all the buttons, we use document.querySelectorAll, and inside parenthesis we give the name of the selector as buttons. But with jQuery, the dollar sign is again used to select all the buttons. This will select all the three buttons. So what if you want to select only the first button? So we have something called the first keyword. So button colon first, this will select only the first button. Let's check out other selectors. So we have this page called jQuery selectors by W3 schools. Here we have a lot of selectors of jQuery. So we have the first, which select the first paragraph element in this case, and if we use button, then it will select the first button. We also have other selectors. You go ahead and take a look at all these. So next we will go to manipulating styles. So let's clear this. So this line of code is used to change the color property of h1 element. So let's save this first. Go to our website, refresh. You can see the color is now in yellow. We can also log the current value in the console using, let's go to the code. Here, what we will do is, so here you can see the value. It is now in black color, so you get 0, 0 and 0 as RGB value. This means when we have a single value over here, that is here we only have color, we are getting the value of the particular property. And when we have two values, we are setting the value of the property. This is how we manipulate the style inside JavaScript. But if you remember the video about separation of concerns, you would remember that it is not recommended to style the website using JavaScript. We should be using CSS to do that. Always remember, keep the JavaScript all about behavior and CSS all about appearance and HTML all about content. So instead of adding CSS property directly from JS file, we will create a class in the style sheet. Let's go to styles.css. Inside here, I'm going to create a class big heading, and this contains, so let's save this first. Go to index.js. Here what we will do is use the function add class and give it a value big heading. So now let's save this, go to our website and press refresh. So now the size is, font size is 10 rem and the color is blue. Similarly, we can also remove a class using remove class. So go to our code. Save this, go to our website, refresh. Now the class is removed. We can also add or remove multiple classes. Just add a name of the class within the same quotation with a space in between them. So go to our code. Let's say we have another class called small. So this is how you add another class. You just have to add a small gap, that is a space in between two class names. So that is it for this video. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.